Love you. Bye.
Rob and I are starting our first ever not at home or the cottage camping trip.
Yeah, it's our first real camping trip.
And we have the the car completely packed.
Yep.
The boat is attached. Bikes are in the boat. We're ready to rock.
What?
Nothing. Just getting gas. Our first stop, the gas station. Look at this car. Packed to the gills. Oh, you gonna sleep there? We made it to Mesick, which is only like a half hour from our house, but one of the things I told Rob that I liked to do when I was a kid and we would go camping would be to like not go grocery shopping at Meijer or something for all of your supplies, but to like go to a local grocery store. So that is exactly what we were gonna do. We were heading to the Mesick market to find some amazing food and local fare, right? Cooler is stocked, got all of our junk food and regular food. Gonna load it back in the car and hit the campground. We're here. Check it out, here's our camp space. Dude, this is pretty sweet. Got our picnic table. We're like legitimately on the water, Robbo. What do you think?
I think maybe we should put the tent car by the fence.
Nice little bit of shade and stuff.
Yeah.
All right, let's get our camp set up. We'll check back in a minute. So I just dumped the boat in. Rob's getting the campsite all set up. Rob loves making beds and stuff, so he's like so content and so happy over there, like setting everything up. It's so much fun. I'm so glad we did this. Kind of nervous because I've never been here, and this is like a lake or river or something created by a dam, like a hydroelectric dam, so there's probably like stumps and stuff in here. It's 30 feet deep where I'm at right now, which the shore's right there. That's wild. So a little bit nervous, but somebody told me that there's like a lot of the logs and stumps and stuff are marked, so I don't think we're gonna be doing anything like any hardcore fast boating, so should be fine. So it's 35 feet deep here. There's like stumps and stuff everywhere. It's like landmines. I am terrified now. I was just going like 20 and came up on some stuff real fast, so I'm gonna go real slow. This is not fun. All right, change of plans. For the time being, I'm gonna put the boat back on the trailer. This is the most terrifying body of water I've ever been on. There's like 10,000 logs or stumps or whatever in it. They're like just under the surface, and I only saw like 2 of them marked, which is weird. So yeah, not optimum. I'm gonna talk to some other people. There's like a million boats here, but almost all of them are outboards. I don't see any inboards. So that makes me nervous. I don't want to mess the boat up. So kind of sucks, but there's like literally there's no wake signs. There's nothing out here. It's wild. So I'm gonna talk to some other campers and see what, if anything, to look out for, or see if there's like a trail or a path I can follow, kind of like how Skegmug is. And then we'll decide if I put the boat back in or if we just leave it on the trailer. We're only here for a couple days, so it doesn't really matter. I don't really cook, but I did get this Walmart $25 little propane tank grill, and I found these things, which I don't know what they are, but they're meat and cheese and they look delicious. Rob's gonna have a hot dog, so. Rob loves them, man. Boat is tucked in, probably where it'll stay for like the next 3 days while we're here. They had a map, like a topographical map in the park office that they gave us, so that'll help. But yeah, otherwise it's all right. Like, I mean, we'll just swim at the beach and stuff. That's totally fine. Rob is currently swimming. I am relaxing. This place is pretty sweet. It sucks that I don't want to put the boat in. Even like sitting here, as I look out, I can see some marked stumps and I can see some just barely unmarked stumps.
I'm a sea monster.
So gross. Jenga.
Got about the easy.
I gotta do it while you're on my back?
Yeah, I already know mine.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna lose it.
If you've ever wondered, while it may be possible to cook bacon on an open flame, whatever this kind of grill is, maybe. Should you? No, you should not. I'll tell you what happens. The bacon burns and the grill catches on fire, which is particularly terrifying when you're in a campground on a wooden picnic table. You just throw it at me? He's out there. That's him, peeing on the fire.
Didn't take it out all the way, and you put out some of it.
I love you, bud. Our first night of real camping was a success. Here's our campsite. We had a pretty killer campfire. Rob was nervous that it was still burning in the middle of the night, so he came out and peed on it to put it out.
But it didn't put it all the way out.
Put it some of the way out. Rob pretty much exclusively eats eggs that I'm not capable of cooking, or Jimmy Dean's sausage on a stick, which we can't cook without a microwave, so we're gonna go down to the store here, get a cup, because we have milk and everything, but we forgot to get cups, so. Those are like real rocks, it looks like.
I'm gonna do like a way to see it.
Rob would swim all day long if he could. Like, I'm legit sitting here in our campsite in this chair, and he's just out here swimming. I gotta say, like, the layout here is pretty sweet. I'm kind of bummed about the lake and not wanting to put the boat in, but like, this is a pretty cool setup. If the lake didn't have a bunch of trees growing in it, this would be awesome. One benefit of the boat being here is that I don't have to go to the store to get beer because there's always beer in the boat's cooler. So load up a few beers from our trailered boat and head back to the campsite. I don't know how to cook, but I'm attempting to. Rob and I have mastered hot dogs on the grill.
Definitely.
Peanut butter and jelly, check. Trying to make...
I don't even have to cook that.
No, it's true. Now I'm trying to make popcorn. God, that was hot. I don't know why I touched that using this contraption here. So at some point, I think this will work. Or I catch this whole thing on fire. I guess one of those is bound to happen. It's working. It's working. I might be burning a lot of it though. Oh!
That's kind of funny, though.
Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down so we can finish making this popcorn. Sadly, our camping trip has come to an end.
Yeah.
We have disassembled our campsite, but that was our first, not our last, right?
Yeah.
You're bummed out that it's over? Mm-hmm. Me too. This was a lot of fun. I agree. So Rob and I decided that the next time we camp, it definitely has to be more than 2 nights and 3 days.
Yeah.
And
definitely longer.
Definitely longer. I think what I want to do is make like a list of different campgrounds that have lakes that we can boat in and like go to a bunch of different ones and see which one we like best. This outside of the boating thing, or like me not being comfortable boating here, which I'm sure I could get past like if I researched a little bit more. This place is awesome, right?
Yeah.
I like it. It's super close to our house too.
Yeah, it's like about 40-something minutes away.
Yeah, like 45.
I think it's 45 or 48. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's 48.
So, we're gonna go get the boat, head home, see what Mom and Kate and Teddy are doing.
Yep.